President, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say a few words on the impact that the Synthesis and Solid-State Pharmaceutical Centre has had on Eli Lilly's business. Eli Lilly's small molecule business in Kinsale has undergone a program of transformation over the past 6 years. We have diversified from what was purely a manufacturing business and now partner with Lilly's development organisation to commercialise new products and new technologies in Kinsale. The SSPC collaboration has been a significant benefit to us as we've delivered this transformation. Early in this journey, when we had our first real challenge to develop a crystallization step, we leveraged SSPC capabilities in UCD to redesign a process which increased yield by 10%, enabled a new synthetic sequence, and achieved plant productivity savings. This was not only of significant benefit for our company, but also served to highlight to our US parent the capabilities that exist within Ireland. Following this successful project, Eli Lilly has invested in excess of $25 million in small molecule commercialization and technology facilities in our Kinsale plant, and we now have a group of 30 people working in this area. As our technical mission evolves, individuals at Eli Lilly are working more and more closely with our colleagues in our development organization. Discussions are becoming more technical and increasingly challenging our fundamental understanding of science. Discussions around continuous crystallizations, continuous chemistries, PAT technologies, and computer modeling approaches are now common. These are many of the same topics that are being researched within the SSPC. At technical meetings, Lilly scientists and engineers from Kinsale discuss advances within these areas with SSPC researchers, and this serves to both deepen our own understanding and equip ourselves to engage better with our development colleagues. As a technical leader, I have directly benefited from involvement in the SSPC. One of the most impactful aspects of the SSPC is to bring together a network of industry and academic representatives under a collaborative framework. This very much talks again to the sixth P that Mary mentioned, that of partnership. This allows for sharing of information in a pre-competitive space which is beneficial for all. Late last year, Eli Lilly and Kinsale co-hosted the first SSPC Continuous Conference, attended by academics, representatives from Irish industry, along with representatives from research divisions of major pharmaceutical companies, including our own. The collaboration was fantastic. We learned from other companies, and they learned from us. Many international visitors commented that such a degree of collaboration would not be possible in other countries. Additionally, this conference offered academics the opportunity to hear about cutting-edge industrial research and tailor their own research programs accordingly. SSPC events such as the conference I've just described continue to build confidence within Eli Lilly that the scientific community in Ireland is engaged and responsive to the needs of industry. Credibility has been built through involvement between Lilly researchers in the US and SSPC researchers within UCD, UCC, Trinity, and University of Limerick. Our US development colleagues have attended and participated in many SSPC meetings. Recently, our development group have been instrumental in backing a proposed program of research out of the University of Limerick in the area of continuous crystallization, isolation, and drying. This is an area that we would expect to commercialize in our Kinsale plant in the future. Increasingly, Lilly sees Ireland as a place where leading research can be conducted and can be applied at plant scale. Additionally, Eli Lilly has an active commercial research program with an SSPC spin-out company in Dublin, who are conducting contract development work for our labs in Indianapolis. Without the capabilities put in place by the SSPC, it would be difficult to see such an arrangement working so well. Importantly, SSPC provides an avenue for top talent to conduct impactful and relevant research within Ireland. We are already seeing the capabilities being developed by the SSPC are valuable to us. We currently have an SSPC postdoctoral engineer on a short placement in our Kinsale plant. He is assisting with the design and testing of novel continuous reactor technologies. He brings a deep understanding of the fundamentals to us and is furthering his knowledge of how novel technologies are applied in a GMP environment. Access to such researchers is of great benefit to our site and is recognized by our corporate development group also. Additionally, we have a PhD chemical engineer from SSPC conducting postdoctoral research in our development organization in the US, building on a successful program that we have run for organic chemists in the past. This further enhances the skill set of Irish scientists and builds bridges with our development organization. Increasingly, viable opportunities for top talent to conduct excellent and quality research within Ireland will be important as our business in Ireland continues to grow. The role of the University of Limerick in setting up the structure for the SSPC has been very significant. It has provided the coordinating force to pull together industry partners and academics. It works through potential roadblock issues such as important and tricky IP agreements, and very professionally, and is the driving force which has allowed the centre to become so successful. Importantly to us, the University of Limerick is very conscious of the importance of achieving alignment between what is of value to industry and what is also of interest to the academic community. Finally, we are very excited today about the prospect of the new biopharmaceutical spoke that has been launched. Eli Lilly has invested significantly in biologics facilities and capabilities in our Kinsale plant over the past 8 years, and we believe that a coordinated industry and academic approach will be very beneficial for the future of this business in Ireland. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.